Hello, everyone. Welcome to the Easy English Hub channel. I'm Emma.
And I'm Alex. Hi, everyone.
How are you today, Alex?
I'm good. A little nervous
Nervous? Why?
because next week I start something new.
Oh, what is it?
I signed up for a cooking class.
That's wonderful. Cooking classes are fun.
Yes, but there's one problem.
What problem?
The class is in English. Everything is in English.
I see. And you're worried about the language?
Yes, I don't know the English words for cooking.
Don't worry. I can help you.
Really? You can teach me?
Of course. We can practice together right now.
That would be great. Thank you.
So let's make today a cooking day. We'll cook together and we'll use English.
Good idea. What will we cook?
Let's cook breakfast, lunch, and dinner.
3 meals.
3 meals.
That's a lot.
It is, but it will help you learn many words.
Okay, I'm ready. Let's start.
Great! But first, everyone listening, please subscribe to our channel. Click the like button. It helps us a lot.
Yes, please support us. We make these videos for you.
Thank you. Now, let's go to the kitchen.
Okay, Emma, we're in the kitchen now. Are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready. What are we making for breakfast?
We're making a simple breakfast. Eggs, toast, and orange juice.
That sounds good. I like eggs.
Me too.
Now what?
Now we wait.
We wait for the water to boil.
Boil. That means the water gets very hot and makes bubbles.
Exactly. When water boils, you see bubbles and you hear a sound like this. Bubble, bubble, bubble.
I understand. So we're going to boil the eggs.
Yes, boiling eggs is very easy. While we wait, let's prepare the toast.
Okay, how do we make toast?
First, get the bread.
Here's the bread. It's in a bag.
Good. Take out 2 slices.
2 slices. One for you, one for me.
Exactly. Now put the bread in the toaster.
The toaster. This small machine, right?
Yes, the toaster makes bread hot and crispy. Push the slices down like this.
Perfect. Now press the button.
Done. The toaster is working. Great. The bread will pop up when it's ready.
Pop up. It will jump up.
Yes, it will jump up when it's done. Now the water is boiling. Look.
Oh yes, I see the bubbles.
Now, carefully put the eggs in the water.
Carefully, so I need to be gentle.
Yes. Don't drop them. They might break. Use a spoon.
Okay, I'm putting the eggs in. 1, 2.
Good job. Now we wait for 10 minutes.
10 minutes.
Okay, what do we do while we wait? We prepare the drinks. Let's make orange juice.
Do you see the oranges on the counter?
Yes, I see them. Take 3 oranges.
3 oranges. Okay, now cut them in half.
Cut them in half with a knife.
Yes, be careful, the knife is sharp.
Okay, I'm cutting carefully. Good. Now squeeze the oranges.
Squeeze. That means press them.
Yes, press them to get the juice out, like this.
Perfect. The juice is coming out. This is hard work.
Yes, but fresh juice tastes better. Keep squeezing.
Okay, done. We have juice now.
Excellent. Pour the juice into 2 glasses.
Pour the juice. Okay, I'm pouring. Be careful, don't spill.
I am being careful. Done. 2 glasses of orange juice. Perfect.
Oh, the toast is ready. It just popped up.
Oh yes, the bread jumped up. Take the toast out. It's hot. Use your fingers carefully.
Okay, it is hot. I got it. Now put butter on the toast.
Put butter on the toast. How much butter?
Just a little.
Spread it with a knife.
Spread it. That means make it flat on the bread.
Exactly. Like this. Move the knife across the bread.
Okay, this is easy. The butter is melting.
Yes, because the toast is hot. Now the eggs are ready. It's been 10 minutes.
Okay, what do we do?
Turn off the stove.
Turn off the stove. I turn the knob back.
Yes, turn it to off. Good. Now take the eggs out of the water. With my hands?
No, use a spoon. The eggs are very hot.
Okay, I'm using a spoon. I got them. Put them in a bowl with cold water.
Cold water? Why?
It helps them cool down. Then we can peel them.
Peel them. That means take off the shell.
Exactly, the hard outside part. We don't eat that.
Okay, they're cooling down. Can I peel them now?
Yes, tap the egg gently on the table, then peel the shell. Like this. Perfect.
The shell is coming off easily. This is fun.
Okay, both eggs are peeled. Wonderful. Now cut the eggs in half.
Cut them in half with a knife.
Yes, cut them in the middle.
Done. They look good.
They do. Now put everything on plates.
Okay, toast on the plate, eggs on the plate. Perfect. Breakfast is ready.
Okay, Alex, breakfast was good. Now it's time for lunch already. I'm still full from breakfast.
Don't worry, we'll just practice. We don't have to eat everything.
Okay, good idea. What are we making?
We're making soup and a sandwich.
Soup and sandwich. That sounds good.
Yes, simple and easy. Let's start with the soup.
Okay, what kind of soup?
Vegetable soup. First, we need vegetables.
What vegetables?
Carrots, potatoes, and onions.
Okay, I see them on the counter. Good. First, wash the vegetables.
Wash the vegetables under water.
Yes, turn on the water, rinse them.
Rinse, that means clean with water.
Exactly. Rub them with your hands.
Okay, I'm washing them. They're clean now. Good.
Now, peel the potatoes.
Peel the potatoes. Take off the skin.
Yes, use this peeler. It's a special tool.
Okay, like this. Perfect. Keep going. Peel all the potatoes.
This is taking a long time.
Take your time.
It's okay. Cooking needs patience.
Okay, done. The potatoes are peeled.
Great. Now peel the carrots too.
Same thing, yes, same peeler. This is easier. Carrots are smaller. Good.
Now chop the vegetables.
Chop. That means cut into small pieces.
Exactly. Use a knife, cut them into small cubes. Small cubes?
Like little boxes?
Yes, like this. Watch me.
Okay, I'll try. I'm cutting the potato. Be careful.
Keep your fingers away from the knife.
I'm being careful. Good. You're doing well.
Thank you. Okay, all the vegetables are chopped. Excellent. First, wash the vegetables.
Wash the vegetables under water.
Yes, turn on the water, rinse them.
Rinse, that means clean with water.
Exactly. Rub them with your hands.
Okay, I'm washing them. They're clean now. Good.
Now, peel the potatoes.
Peel the potatoes. Take off the skin.
Yes, use this peeler. It's a special tool.
Okay, like this. Perfect. Keep going. Peel all the potatoes.
This is taking a long time.
Take your time.
It's okay. Cooking needs patience.
Okay, done. The potatoes are peeled.
Great. Now peel the carrots too.
Same thing, yes, same peeler. This is easier. Carrots are smaller. Good.
Now chop the vegetables.
Chop. That means cut into small pieces.
Exactly. Use a knife, cut them into small cubes. Small cubes?
Like little boxes?
Yes, like this. Watch me.
Okay, I'll try. I'm cutting the potato. Be careful.
Keep your fingers away from the knife.
I'm being careful. Good. You're doing well.
Thank you. Okay, all the vegetables are chopped. Excellent. Now get a big pot.
A big pot. Bigger than the one we used for eggs?
Yes, we need a big pot for soup.
Okay, I found one. Put it on the stove.
Done. Now add some oil.
Add some oil. How much?
Just a little. 2 spoons.
Okay, I'm adding oil.
Now turn on the stove. Medium heat.
Medium heat, not too high.
Exactly. In the middle.
Okay, it's on.
Wait for the oil to get hot, then add the onions.
Just the onions first.
Yes, onions first. They need more time to cook.
Okay, I'm adding the onions.
Now, stir them.
Stir. That means move them around.
Yes, use a wooden spoon. Keep stirring, like this. Perfect. Keep stirring so they don't burn. They're getting soft.
Good. Now add the carrots and potatoes.
All of them?
Yes, put them all in.
Done. Stir everything together.
Okay, I'm stirring.
Good. Now add water.
How much water?
Enough to cover the vegetables.
Fill the pot about 3/4.
3/4. Almost full.
Yes, not completely full, but almost.
Okay, I'm adding water.
Good. Now add salt.
How much salt?
1 teaspoon. Just a little.
Okay, adding salt.
And add pepper too for flavor.
Pepper. The black powder?
Yes, just a little bit. Done.
Good. Now turn up the heat. We want the water to boil.
Turn it up the heat. Make it hotter.
Yes. Turn the knob to high.
Okay, done.
When the water boils, turn it down to low.
Turn it down. Make it lower.
Yes, we want it to simmer.
Simmer. What does that mean?
Simmer means cook slowly with small bubbles, not big boiling bubbles.
I understand. Cook slowly.
Exactly. Now we wait for 20 minutes.
20 minutes.
Now let's check the soup.
Okay, the soup is bubbling.
Good. Taste it. Taste it with a spoon.
Yes, blow on it first, it's hot.
Okay, I'm tasting.
It's good. Does it need more salt?
Maybe a little.
Okay, add a pinch of salt.
A pinch. That's a very small amount.
Yes, just a tiny bit between your fingers.
Okay, added. Stir it. Taste it again.
Okay. Yes, it's perfect now.
Wonderful. Turn off the stove.
Turn off the stove. Done.
Now pour the soup into bowls.
Pour the soup with this ladle.
Yes, a ladle is a big spoon for soup.
Okay, I'm pouring. Careful, it's hot.
Yes, be careful. Good job.
Done. 2 bowls of soup. Perfect. Put them on the table with the sandwiches.
Okay, everything is on the table. Lunch is ready.
Oh no, I forgot about cleaning.
Yes, after cooking, we always clean.
I know, but I'm tired.
Me too, but we have to do it. Let's do it together. It will be fast.
Okay, what do we do first?
First, clear the table.
Clear the table. Take everything off.
Yes, take the plates and glasses to the sink.
Okay, I'm taking them. Good.
Now wipe the table. Wipe the table with this cloth.
Yes, make it clean.
Okay, wiping, done. The table is clean. Good. Now wash the dishes. Wash the dishes in the sink.
Yes, use soap and water.
Okay, I'm washing. Scrub them well. Make sure they're clean.
Scrub. That means rub hard.
Yes, like this.
Okay, I'm scrubbing. These dishes are clean now. Good.
Put them on the drying rack.
The drying rack. This thing?
Yes, the dishes will dry there.
Okay, done. Now wash the pots and pans, the big ones.
Okay, they're heavy. Be careful.
I'm careful. I'm done. Dry your hands, sweep the floor, and take out the trash.
Finally, the kitchen is clean. Wonderful. Good job today, Speaker 2.
Thank you, Speaker 1. I learned so much.
You're welcome. Now you're ready for your cooking class.